Yeah.
But the moot point is, and Mukesh Bhatt, I want you to take this. The moot point is this, Mukesh Bhatt. The fact is that the original copy of this is actually released by somebody associated with the industry or associated with that particular film. Last year we had two cases of two very senior executives from some very popular film distribution companies who actually came out and who were penalized, who were caught by the law. The root of the problem needs to be tackled, and that's not happening.
See, as you rightly said, that this is organized crime which has penetrated into the world of piracy. When you talk about organized crime, they are very sharp, and they manage to buy out the people who are working on the ground level. So it's very easy for them to penetrate, pay some ridiculous sum of money, and buy a vulnerable person who can be bought. So how the hell are you going to control that? It is only for the law and order machinery, the intelligence have to step in. We are entertainers, you have to understand. We are not security agencies. Our job is to entertain people. It is the law enforcing agencies, the intelligence department, which needs to take this matter seriously. But the tragedy is that they have complete insensitivity to our problem.
Okay, I'll just come back to that in a moment. I want to get your word in as well on what the government's reaction to all this has been. But we're also joined on the phone line by Taran Adarsh, film trade analyst. Thanks very much, Taran, for speaking with us. We've got a copy. Very easily, we were able to get access to a copy of I Hate Love Stories, the movie that's released just this morning. Just how badly is this whole business of film piracy affecting Bollywood? And what's the way forward for Bollywood? Because we've got the example, and we've been debating this as well here, of the music industry in the West, in the United States and in Britain, where they eventually had to move into legalized or legalization of piracy. You have websites where you can download music legally. Is that the way forward for Bollywood now?
Well, I think, of course, our leader, especially Mr. Mukesh Bhatt, would be able to shed light on that. But all I would want to say is that whatever's happened is really very unfortunate, because I'm just monitoring the box office collections of I Hate Love Stories, and it's really started with a bang. The film has opened to fantastic collections across the multiplexes throughout the nation. And when you have a pirated copy out there in the market on the very day of its release, that spells doom for the film industry. Not just for the film, but for the entire film industry. And I think our leaders, Mukesh Bhatt and all the people who are there, have been fighting it out, have been, putting the cause to the government. They have been talking to them. And I think it's time to take, to take this forward, and really, we need to have some serious conversation on this.
Okay, Taran Adarsh, indeed, fair point that made. Final word from Minty Tejpal before we take a break. Minty, what then is the way forward? The music industry took 1 decade from 1995 to about say 2005 to figure out how to deal with the whole business of piracy. Is that the example to follow? Is legalized downloading the way forward now?
Zaka, we are in 2010. I think it's naive to bank on the law and order machinery to help us out. The police have a lot of other things to do than curb piracy. They're not ever going to do it. I think Bollywood needs to get its act together and make sure that it itself is proactive in curbing piracy somewhere. Otherwise, going digital is the only way out. You cannot stop that. I agree with the other panelists. You cannot stop this. You cannot stop piracy from happening. However, you can make customers individually honest and receptive to the fact that, no, I'm not going to watch this movie because it's pirated. I think legally being allowed to download movies is the way to go.
Okay. Minty Tejpal, Mukesh Bhatt, Shubhiman Bhattacharya, and of course Siddharth Gautam. Thanks very much, gentlemen. The moot point, of course, is that the whole business of piracy actually stems from an unmet demand. And unless filmmakers and the entire industry realizes that that demand needs to be catered to in a legalized fashion, you're not going to put an end to this rampant and thriving business of film piracy.